Things I don't regret buying. Number 4, my Logitech Lift Vertical Ergonomic Mouse. Mas komportable dahil sa natural position ng arm and wrist natin. Vertical mouse. This has been a game changer for me. Backstory tayo, more than 6 years akong nag-work sa corporate and yung traditional or normal mouse yung gamit ko. Most of the days talaga sumasakit yung wrist, yung arm ko dahil sa all-day computer work. So nakatutok talaga sa computer all day, keyboard and mouse. Nag-worry ako baka magkaroon ako ng carpal tunnel dito sa my wrist dahil nga sa computer works all day every day. So nung nag-start ako mag-work from home, normal mouse pa rin yung gamit ko pero naging wireless. Then come last year, naging exposed ako sa vertical mouse. Promise guys, ang laking bagay. So before this Logitech one, I had a previous vertical mouse. Pero yun pa lang, ang laking difference na sa normal mouse. Pero grabe talaga tong Logitech Lift guys. Pero basically, alam naman natin ang vertical mouse. So yung wrist natin, nagiging normal yung position niya na talagang nakakapag-prevent ng carpal tunnel syndrome. Tanggal talaga yung discomfort, improved ergonomics, simula sa kamay, sa wrist, sa forearm, until shoulder, reduced muscle fatigue. Mas relax talaga yung arm and wrist natin. Dahil dyan, less fatigue, less discomfort, meaning more productive. Nag-lead to longer and more efficient work sessions. If you're like me, basta nagko-computer all day due to work or gaming, I recommend getting a vertical mouse. And why not try this one, Logitech Lift.